Hello everyone, I'm Jay and we're here at Pangyo Techno Valley for an interview about some really cool products and a really cool company. We're here with the CEO and founder of Taiga, John. John, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure. Such cool products in front of me. Some things I think I've never seen. The design is incredible. Tell me a little bit about yourself and your company.
Yes, my name is John, of the CEO of the Taiga company. The Taiga company is the we developed eco technology to increase the greenery in our daily life. We're thinking the rest of the greenery is make our life quality is drop. So we try to use the moss, and then we try to blend it moss and then the usual product, and then we try to increase the nature experience in our daily life.
Wonderful. We need more nature in our daily lives.
Yes.
I think, a lot of the world is becoming this concrete jungle. And I love walking in space and seeing like green walls or plants or whatever, but this is a combination of technology and nature. So your parent company is called Taiga, but what's this brand? What's the brand you're you're a startup, right? So what's the brand you're incubating here?
Our brand name is Mossair. Mossair is the moss and the laboratory is plus. It's very simple,
Makes sense. It's very simple. Moss Lab, okay.
But I got lots of questions. Why moss? The moss is the purest nature asset, very give to the sustainability and then the economic benefit.
Sure.
So very easy to the transportation to worldwide because our moss have a very strong liability.
Okay.
It's without light, without water, this moss can survive, and under -20 Celsius, over 8 degrees Celsius, can survive. And this point is very important because I want to increase the greenery, right? And then for this achievement, we can produce lots of greenery, and then we can transfer delivery easily to the worldwide.
So deliver these I see, okay.
Like a semiconductor, it's like a factory.
Okay.
In the Mossair factory is making the moss product, and we can deliver it worldwide. And this is a good point. This moss can spread lots of including United States and then the Middle East country. So this is why we can choose a moss, and then we can make a good brand name. So we call the Mossair.
Moss Lab, perfect. Moss Laboratory, with the benefits of moss being that it can survive in somewhat extreme environments compared to other plants or greenery.
Yes.
So you have this goal of spreading your vision worldwide. And if you just did normal plants or different types of vegetation, for example, you ship them and they die or they don't survive the shipping process.
This is not
product. That's a problem. That's not a great worldwide product.
Because it's a customer is a disappoint.
Right, of course.
Alive, open, it died. It's not good.
Right. So that's not a very sustainable business, right?
So this is why we choose moss.
Got it. Okay, so we're looking at a couple products here. Can you tell me about your product lineup in Moss Lab? Which one is you're starting? Which one maybe is new?
This is the flagship product. It's Mossair. Mossair is a success funding about crowdfunding about over 55 million, 500,000 US dollar.
Okay.
This is the first trial to deliver nature experience to the customer. So we try to the humidifier and then the moss filter. Its normal function is the humidifier.
Okay, like it is now.
Yes. And then you want to take care of moss inside, you just moving backward.
Okay.
And then the mist is going to the moss and give the watering, and then the LED light control automatically. Okay. You don't care about this moss care. This is automatically care by the machine. And then if you have something wrong about the moss filter, you just very easy to replace
so
moss
easy.
filter.
Okay.
So
how long does each filter last?
It's most lifetime is 5 years.
Okay.
It's very sustainable filter, but in in everyday life, I don't know about what happened, right?
Right, of course.
So it's normally our customer normally replace in the 7 and 8 months.
Depending on the amount of usage, right?
Yes.
Okay, I understand. Moss out in nature is around a 5-year lifespan,
Yeah.
but this one, because it's a brand new and innovative product, there's nothing like this on the market, correct?
Yes, we are the first. Yeah.
So you got to get product feedback being a startup. So this is the humidifier version, or not version, this is humidifier mode, and you change, this is such a cool idea.
Yeah.
It's a magnetic ball,
Magnetic
right?
ball.
And you put it here, and then the effect comes in here, and you have the technology that's helping to keep the moss alive and sustainable.
Right.
Okay, and then I see the holes here, so the air's filtering throughout here. You have cool lighting effect as well. It feels like I just walked into like a mossy forest.
Yes.
It's phenomenal.
It's normal customer is used like this product is the mood light in the nearby bedroom.
So it can be humidifier, a mood light.
Yes.
Okay. And I mean, you get the scent, you get the whole experience, you get the scent of the moss as well.
Because people get the feeling about the emotion, the nature experience.
Of course, we as humans have a natural emotional connection to nature. This is your flagship product. This is outright. I can buy this right now?
Yeah, you can buy the Amazon and then the Naver Smart Store.
Oh, perfect. So I'm American. If I go back to the States, I can buy on Amazon. If I'm here in Korea, I can buy on Naver Smart Store. However, I see this product here as well. Is this out on market? Is this a new product? What am I looking at here?
This new product is Mossco.
Okay.
It's set to launch end of this year.
Okay.
We're selling this Mossair to lots of the customer. Is over 20,000 units in worldwide.
Wow.
But it's the customer say, the comment, feedback is green is good, but a little boring.
Okay.
So we try, how we can solve this issue. Green is good. How can give some new contents, new entertainment. So we try to combine the LED display and the Moss filter.
Got it.
This is the sample.
I see the lights. Okay.
Yes, we call this technology we call the lightning pole technology.
Okay.
So we can display lots of the contents. You choose the
I see. Okay, it has images, it has text.
Yes, and then
characters, animations.
Yeah, animations.
Sound effects as well.
Yes, because it's the main value about the nature experience. So we try to combine the nature, the contents, and BGM, the background music, and the customer get the feeling about living in the nature.
I got it.
So this is a smart spray, and very funny. If you spray, can detect about your spray, and then show the lots of the funny contents.
So this is like the smart or the upgrade, super smart version of this. This is IoT technology, correct?
Technology.
Okay.
Also, in the daily life, we sleep, right?
Sleeping mode starts soon.
They have a sleeping mode.
Okay.
And
Meditation mode starts soon.
if you want meditation, if you want to
Clock mode start.
if you want to clock, and they show the lots of information, and connect to Wi-Fi, you can know about the weather information.
Okay. Is this still in its beta phase? Has this launched yet? When is this launching, this product?
July, this year, July.
This year, July. So this is your brand new product.
Yeah, brand new product.
These seem like they're both tailored to the B2C market, correct?
B2C market.
So who's your target customer for these? And are you also in the B2B market as well?
We are the startup.
Okay.
So we try to target the both segment, B2C and B2B.
Got it.
The B2C is for the individuals for thinking the values, the sustainability, and thinking the most important priority is the indoor, the environmental and air quality and wellness. So many target is about the millennials and Gen Z generation because they want to seeking about emotional engagement, and then they want to more nature-based experience. So our target is very millennials and Gen Z.
Got it. So environmental, emotional, engagement, experience. Lots of E's in there.
And plus, and sustainability.
And sustainability, of course, being a nature product. You talked about B2B as well. So your target for your B2C products, more of millennial Gen Z. What about your B2B products?
The B2B product is the many construction company and want to how to deliver the nature to their customer.
Okay.
But example, in our indoor space, it is very difficult to find some greenery, right?
Yes.
In the research, only 1% greenery in our space.
In indoor built environment, 1% is greenery.
Yeah, as you mentioned, and our surround is always concrete and bricks, right?
Right.
Very difficult to find some plant.
Right.
So, especially in Europe, they very progressive have the policy to the sustainability, like they try to start by LEED and the WELL certification to the building.
Oh, right, sure.
Yeah, so we call the smart building.
Okay.
So the B2B customer is a construction company and the public, the facility designer.
Okay.
And then we show the solution. I want to use they use our solution to increase the greenery in
the built environment.
Yes.
So are your B2B solutions, are they basically going to be bigger versions of this, of Mossco?
Yeah. Because it's Mossco is lightning port solution.
Okay.
And also very easy to I show you.
Right.
This is
there's the filter.
The filter.
Okay.
So this is a modular the design. So if you want to put in your green wall, very easy. Just added a number.
Oh, it's just completely scalable.
Yes.
You're just adding more of them to create a whole green wall or signage, for example.
Yes, and signage, and then the Mossair Hexa is same function. So
your B2B solution, one of them is called Hexa.
Yeah.
So this is a square design.
Yeah, Mossair Hexa is a square design. We can change lots of design. Very easy.
Okay.
Easy for me. So
got it.
But now we are the B2C. The product is on launch and ready to launch. But now it's a B2B is the B2B target. We try to find some good partners for POC.
Okay.
For open innovation.
Okay.
Because we need to discuss what really they need, right?
Sure.
Yeah. So in this interview, I want to find some good partner and good construction company. If you want to interesting to the new solution, just call me.
Perfect. That actually leads me into my next question. Are you looking for these international partners, or are you looking for these partners only domestically? Are you looking internationally? How's your company functioning globally?
Globally, the world leader is the United States.
Okay.
United States smart building, as you know, the United States have lots of the big IT company and then Amazon and Google, and their working place, and you can search in Google. Their working place is very how can I say, it's biophilic design. Yeah. Lots of the greenery inside, especially Amazon. But I thinking they want greenery because it's very good for the employee efficiency. Yeah. In the greenery, as a research, lots of greenery can employ get some good result, good works. So
mental benefits, mental clarity, efficiency, mood calming.
Yes, then stress release. Yes. So we try to our first primary target is the United States.
Great.
And then the working place.
Okay.
And then but our solution is just not green wall, and the functional green wall, because we can display lots of contents, entertainment, and funny things. Yeah.
Right, I saw that. I've seen green walls before. I'm American, I studied design. Green walls have been around for a while, especially popular abroad, but you're bringing a whole different type of solution technology to them now.
Yes.
Okay, how did you get this company started? Did you go through crowdfunding, government financial benefits? Did you start it with your own money? How did you get this company off the ground?
Our family business is the landscaping in 20 years in the South Korea.
Okay.
So I learned about lots of the plant, how to grow plant, how to give to lots of the know-how, information from my parents.
Okay.
Especially my father like moss.
Okay.
And I want to make a business in the moss. Because moss is very good plant for people.
Yeah.
But he don't know about how to delivery.
Right.
But
that's where you come in the picture.
Yeah. So it's the major is the mechanic and in the Hanyang University.
Okay.
I'm working over 10 years in LG Electronics.
Okay.
So I have a basement about and then good partner and good friends. So my fathers want to try to make a new business with the moss. So I try, and then we make lots of the trial, how grow up, how cultivation, and then we make the most biggest farm in the south.
Oh, so it's all
South
grown
Korea.
domestically.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we investigate how to export.
Right.
Yeah.
The big question mark. How do we export this?
Export. So we try contact and fail, but finally we get the permission from the U.S. government, and then we are only one company to the export our moss to the United States.
Oh, you're the only one allowed to?
Yes, United States, and then the Japan, and then the German, and the British, and the France.
That was my other question. Being a natural product, they have a lot of regulations around what can be shipped and not. So what you're saying is not only is this the first product of this type for B2C and B2B environments, you're also the only ones allowed to right now to ship this product internationally, correct?
Because it's our moss don't need to the soil.
Ah.
Soil is very the critical point to export.
Okay.
Because they don't know about what kind of things in the soil.
Oh, right.
But it's the cultivation, the technology. We grow up the moss without soil, and they just delivery and success to get the permission from the United States Agriculture Ministry.
I love hearing the background behind the startups here. K-startups have so much power and influence in the world right now, and hearing it come from a family background, from your father being the expert in this field, and then you having worked at LG and having the business sense and bringing this abroad here. But here, another way to get these startups off the ground, of course, we're here in Pangyo Techno Valley. People compare it to the Silicon Valley, of Korea. This is like the Silicon Valley of Korea. What's the benefit for you of working here? You had your father who's the expert, you're a business expert working at LG with mechanical engineering background. What's the big benefit and advantage of working here?
For making the new business, is the first start is a passion of the founder.
Of course.
Yeah, but it's not enough. We need to connect other company, other people. But Pangyo, as you know, is the heart of the Korea, the startup ecosystem. Very easy to access about the big company and small company and startup, and very easy to find get the feedback from the lots of developer. Especially here, lots of very easy to contact. Very specialists. Yeah, specialists.
There's such a diverse amount of experts and specialists under one roof here.
Yeah, but this specialist is not employee, just a founder, right?
Right.
They have the passion, and if I have some question, they're willing to answer
because they're passionate about it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because it's a normal employee. I ask, they just hide. Right.
Right.
But
I know what you mean.
This place is the people willing to answer because they have a passion. So, and I make some device and new product. I'm willing to open what kind of thinking about this new product, and they're willing to good feedback. This is very good point to improve to the market and for the benefit, and then for the improve the life. So this is very good place
Wonderful. I completely agree with what you said. Passion and open mindset goes such a long way. And I love doing interviews here and learning about all the cool technology and different business aspects coming out of Pangyo here. I love your design. I'm a design major myself, and I was so excited to see your product today.
Thank you very
so
much.
This one is Mossair. This one is Mossco. Your brand name is Moss Lab.
Right.
You also have Moss Hexa and Nature Signage for Business Solutions, which you're starting up now. This one launches in July.
Yes.
John, before I wrap up our interview, is there anything else you'd like to add today?
Now I'm trying to find some good partner, good company to working with me. We ready to the technology, and we have experience about the manufacturing, and we also have over 20,000 the customer. So we want to grow up our business, and for the sustainability, and then for the future, the enough greenery life.
Wonderful. It was a pleasure talking with you today. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yep. I'm Jay here at Pangyo Techno Valley with the CEO and founder of Taiga, John, with his brand here, Moss Lab. He's a passionate person about why we need nature in environments. Only 1% of the built environments have nature included right now. We need to change that. Nature is good for everyone, and he has had several products here addressing different issues. This one is already on market. This one is launching this year, and he has B2B solutions coming as well. Once again, that's Moss Lab. You can check them out on YouTube as well. They're already shipping this through Amazon, so you can get it worldwide, and Naver store here in Korea. I'll see you guys for the next interview.